So we also like to talk about the value we can bring to the job site beyond pipe and fittings. And when we have that conversation, oftentimes we're talking about Uponor Logic. And what Uponor Logic is a design and installation methodology that leverages the flexibility of our pipe and the multi-port T offering that we have to create a system design that has less fittings than you'd have in a trunk and branch installation and less pipe than you'd have in a home run system. As you can see here, typically we're able to reduce the fitting count by 83% and 58% less piping in those installs and significantly less connections. Every time we take a connection off the job site, we're reducing the risk that something's going to go wrong there and somebody else has to come back out and make repairs later when we're not on the clock. In addition to improving the productivity of the job site and reducing the risk of leaks and failures, we're also able to enhance the performance of the system by delivering faster hot water times and giving the homeowner means to recirculate that system for even better hot water performance. Recently in our hands-on training space, we did a side-by-side comparison. I had one group plumb a miniature house on this side of the building using PEX B, insert crimp fittings, and traditional trunk and branch installation. And over on this other side, we used Uponor ProPEX connections and did an Uponor Logic installation. Now on both sides, we served the exact same number of fixtures. I have 2 bathrooms, laundry, and a kitchen. With our trunk and branch installation, we have individual T's in the main for every single fixture, and then we're using a 90-degree elbow for every change in the direction, which drastically increases the number of fittings and connections in a trunk and branch install. So in order to complete this installation, we needed 53 fittings and there's over 130 connections just in this space. The other thing, when we're looking at these connections, because they're crimp fittings, we really can't tell by looking at them whether or not they've been completed. And you can see here, this connection, somebody forgot to crimp. So this one is dry fit. No way to see by looking at that. And then this has the potential to blow off and leak on the job site at some other time. And here on the Uponor side, again, exact same fixture count. This time we're able to serve that using 8 fittings with only 36 connections. So with our Uponor Logic installation, we have our multi-port T's positioned near a fixture group and then 0 connections between the multi-port T and where the pipe comes out of the wall for the termination. Now you can use Uponor AquaPEX and ProPEX connections for any one of these system designs, but leveraging Uponor Logic and the flexibility of the pipe and the multi-port T's to create a system with less connections, less risk, and faster hot water delivery times will ensure that you realize all of the benefits of your Uponor system.